Hey everyone, did you know that not only does inTakt export out for your CPM schedule, but it also exports a beautiful image of the plan in Excel that you can pretty much do anything with. So as you can see here on the screen, I have the phases and the zones. Actually, I don't. Eddie, who's on the call with me with Daniela, has done a fantastic job on this project. And you can see that this is a multi-train takt plan where there's multiple nuances to the project and it's all organized in a time by location format. So it's in here, it's logic tied, it's ready to export out to CPM. Absolutely fantastic. But one of the things that I really love is that you can come over here and click this export schedule button. And when you hit it, if you're not exporting out to CPM, you can also hit export out to Excel. And when you do that, it will come up in your files in your downloads and pop up as an option for you to bring up and manipulate in the Excel interface. And this is what it looks like, everybody. So it's, as you can see, it's beautiful. You might have to do some adjustments to the cell widths, but everything is in here. It's clear, it's labeled, it shows the exact information. And if you didn't want to use the actual native weekly work plan function in the actual software itself with the automatic printouts, you also have this option to use the Excel and to enable other people who may not be using or being in the app itself, give them access to it as well and do whatever you want with it. So it exports to CPM, Excel, and it has the weekly work planning feature right here inside the software. So we thought that was really cool. You can do quite a lot with this. It's beautifully formatted, and we wanted to share it with all of our people. We want everyone in inTakt as soon as we possibly can in a time by location format so that we can really drive productivity in construction, because we should be creating production plans, not just schedules. On we go.